everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today I am here at Islands of Adventure to find my top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure. Now, we did this at Universal Studios and everybody seemed to like it, so I wanted to bring you what I consider the top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure. Come with me on this drink adventure. I got you. Let's go do this. All right, so we are starting off our top 5 adult beverage list here at Islands of Adventure at the Crescent or the Croissant Moon Bakery right here when you first enter. Now, this drink is a good way to start your day, especially if you get here early. You can start your day with a nice classic mimosa. It's hard to beat that, especially if you get into here and you get a little brunch action going on. Start your day the right way. Little vitamin C, little orange juice, little champagne. Very, very good. It is hard to beat a good mimosa early in the day. Wake you up and get you going. This is the first drink on our top 5 here at Islands of Adventure. Next up on our list of the top 5 adult beverages for you to have here at Islands of Adventure brings us to the Backwater Bar, where we are going to try the Viking mead flight. They're blending up a frozen concoction behind me, but we're going to try some mead. So next up on our list, as I was trying to say inside when it was getting really loud in there blending up some frozen concoctions, is the Viking mead flight at the Backwater Bar right here at the entrance of Islands of Adventure. Now, if you've never tried Viking mead, it's honey based. There's several different kinds. We have the Viking blood, we have Odin's skull, and the Dansk Mohit. I can't say it. Which I am of Scandinavian, Viking, and English descent, so this is partial to me. I love to try this. And if you never tried it, try a flight, share it. You get 3 2-ounce pours. We're gonna see if we can get it out of the cardboard here. All right, first up is the Viking blood. Cheers. Skull. It's like a honeyed wine alcohol. It is, I mean, it's strong. It's not for the faint of heart, but that honey smooths it out. The Viking blood is very good. Odin's skull. What a name. Here we go. Odin skull. That's a more smooth, very honey profile. You really taste the honey. Now, I love honey, so you have to like honey to like either one of these, but particularly the Odin skull. Really good, sweet, but you still taste the alcohol in there. And the last one is the Dansk. It's the MJ with the O through it, D. It's like trying to pronounce Odin or Thor's hammer. Forget about it, I never can do it. But we're gonna drink it anyway. That one is probably the smoothest. It has like a wildflower honey flavor. But all 3 are really good. If you want to try something a little more adventurous than just your standard beers and IPAs, something that is more unique, then come to the Backwater Bar and get yourself a Viking mead flight. And it is definitely on our top 5 list here of adult beverages at Islands of Adventure. Skål. Next up on our top 5 adult beverages. I always do the five. Got to get it across. Top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure brings us into the Mythos restaurant for the Potion of the Gods. Now, the Potion of the Gods has Malibu coconut rum, Captain Morgan spice rum, black raspberry liqueur, orange, cranberry, pineapple juices, and a float of Cruzan. It is definitely the Potion of the Gods. If you like a rum drink, a tropical style vacation drink, but themed to the awesome Mythos restaurant in here, it definitely makes our top 5. Let's try the Potion of the Gods. There is so many fruit flavors going on in there that blend well together. As our server said, it has been a favorite here for 20 years for a reason. If you like tropical rum drinks, you like drinks that are themed to a specific area, those are always partial to me. Things that you can only get at a specific area. You could get an old-fashioned anywhere. And I'm an old-fashioned drinker. You could get those things anywhere. But the Potion of the Gods, you can only get here at Mythos. So have a mythological good time and order you the Potion of the Gods. All right, continuing on our quest for the top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure, we are headed over to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We are going to get one of my favorites. Now, we were just here and tried that, so I'm going to show it to you there, but there are a bunch of drinks in the Wizarding World. Obviously, on my top 5 list at Universal Studios, I had 2 from the Wizarding World. But here at Islands of Adventure, there is one. It made the list of my favorite things, and I'm going to show you that now. It is definitely not the Deathly Hallows. It is the Triple. So here we go. Check it out right here. We are in here at Hogsmeade about to grab one of my other favorite things. It's called the Triple. Definitely not the Deathly Hallows. No. It's the Triple. It's a Strongbow cider and Guinness and the Hogsmeade ale all mixed together in a triple layer. We're going to get that right now. I'm going to have the Triple layer.
Strongbow with Hogs and a Guinness.
Yes.
All right there, friends. Frozen butterbeer, 3-layer. Any discounts?
Annual pass. Never forget the annual pass.
I know.
Always have to remember.
I forgot watch today so far.
Hey, that's not bad. I'm like,
Looking forward to this. Order the Triple. You won't regret it. One of my favorite things. A little look around Hogsmeade. It's busy in the Wizarding World today. We got a little frozen butter beer. Also, one of my favorite things. These are a few of my favorite things. All right, this is the Triple. You can get this here at Hogsmeade. I think you can also get this at the Leaky Cauldron. Like I said, Strongbow cider and the Hogsmeade pub beer and Guinness on the top. It's definitely not called the Deathly Hallows in any way. Definitely not. See the layers. Super smooth, super cold on a hot day like this in a crowded Wizarding World. Definitely one of my favorite things. How good does that look? You've got the Guinness, the Wizard's Brew, the Strongbow cider, all mixed together. Don't ask for it by the name the Deathly Hallows. Ask for the Triple and you will get it. It's smooth, it's refreshing. It's not super heavy because the Guinness is broken up, but it is definitely one of my favorite things, as it made my favorite things video, and it is squarely on our top 5 list of best adult drinks here at Islands of Adventure. Now it's time to go find the final one on our list. All right, the last drink on our top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure brings us over to Jurassic Park to the watering hole. And you might have guessed it because I love signature cocktails, signature beers, things that are brewed for a specific land. We are here to get the Isla Nublar IPA. And I am not the biggest IPA drinker, but I am a sucker for specialty brewed beers, for specialty cocktails that are themed to a land, specialty merchandise. You know how I am. I'm always looking for my resort specific merchandise. So we are here at the watering hole. We're going to grab an Isla Nublar IPA, and I'm going to share it with you.
So it's a 6.5 citrus IPA. Florida Beer Company out of Cape Canaveral does it, and you can only get it on the Jurassic World Islands.
Awesome, thank you. Hey, you got all the explanation you need from a great team member. Isla Nublar IPA. So our final drink on our top 5 adult beverage list, as you already know, thanks to our awesome team member, is the Isla Nublar IPA. It is brewed here in Tampa specifically for Jurassic World, Jurassic Park here at Universal. I'm a sucker for that, even though I'm not a big IPA guy. I love all that. It just puts you into the vibe of everything. So it's definitely on our top 5. Cheers. It is very, very hoppy. Got the coaster going behind me. It's very, very hoppy. If you love IPAs, it is the perfect IPA for you. Normally, I would say it's a little hoppier for me, too hoppy, but the sort of nostalgia, the vibes, the everything, the immersive nature, it being a specifically brewed beer, kind of overtakes that, and I will get me a Isla Nublar IPA, and you should too. It's the final drink on our top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure. Cheers. Hold on to your butts. All right, adventurers, that's going to do it for our top 5 adult beverages here at Islands of Adventure. I hope you've enjoyed it. These are just a few of my favorites. There's a lot of drinks here that I like. Maybe we'll do this again. Of course, maybe we'll do the non-adult version. But of these, it's hard to pick a favorite. Probably the triple, not the Deathly Hallows in Harry Potter Wizarding World is my favorite. But I love all of these. You should give them a try. Let me know what's on your top 5 list. Let me know if I got something wrong, something I should have left out, something I shouldn't have put in. But until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.